This is what they bring me out, man. Look at this. That's how you start your morning. This is like the little park up here in La Fortuna. Look how nice it is. Mire. La iglesia. Church. The flowers. Right now it's like 1:45. I guess they're decorating for September 15th. That's like the Independence Day here in Costa Rica. Look at the beautiful flowers. See? That's my Airbnb from outside. I came home just in time before it started raining. Like it's going crazy right now. Well, I came to buy some fruit. Big. Came to buy something, but it's still raining. Still storming outside. Oh no. I'm gonna have to wait a couple seconds. Oh, they got some fruits over here as well. And we still running in the rain tide. Dominoes. With the fence. I just walked into a bakery. Look, they got choripan, $7.50. Different type of breads. Well, I just went shopping and I gotta wait for my Uber. I go. And it's still pouring right now. Oh, I don't know what to do. I'm at somebody's shop. Says in 3 minutes he's gonna come. My day, it's been like this the whole day. It's already 4:55 and all it's been doing is raining. Fuck, my Uber came. Fuck. ¿Cómo estás? Fuck.
Me llamo Har.
Yeah. Y yo no pensé que iba a llover hoy.
Ah, mas cuando menos te lo imaginas está lloviendo.
Ay, sí, iba a caminar yo, ir al banco, ir a comprar algo a comer al menos para no morir del hambre. Y resulta que da lluvia. Ah, yo ni sé, es una casa donde estoy quedando.
Ah, ok, ya terminé.
Y está lloviendo como todo el día, ¿verdad?
Oh, pues, 12, 1 adelante empezó.
Yo, after all that fighting in the rain, now right at the crib. This is my day, but I can't really do anything. I can't even go out because it's raining. Alright, don't ask why, but I like to sit on the floor. I don't really have that good lighting right now. You guys, what I got. So, I got a half of a watermelon. I got some, I got a water. I got a beer, chips from here, picarones, and a piece of chocolate from here. That's what I got. And then here, I bought other stuff. I bought this, has queso crema. See how it goes, how it tastes. I bought this random fruit, don't know what this is called, I forgot. And I bought a mango. And also I got a donut. Wait, you guys can't really see, let me see. Alright, there you go. Oh yeah, you can see much better. Let's see. Got a hot dog, got a donut, and bread with meat. And this is everything that I got. Wasted like around, don't know how much I wasted. I gotta do the math real quick. Alright, I did the math. I wasted like 11,000 and something colones. In total, that's like $21. So pretty expensive here, but man, about to survive off bread and fruit and a nice cold beer. Mwah. Oh shit, bomba clot! Oh my god, it's thunder. We didn't go to the waterfall because it's raining all day. So see you guys tomorrow. To be honest, let's try this beer.